Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely stunning, shiny, gleaming Mercedes diesel AMG Sport convertible. Absolutely lovely. Full AMG body styling kit, facelift model, front park distance control, alloy wheels absolutely immaculate black and silver diamond cut, rear park distance control, AMG rear diffuser, twin exhaust. Absolutely stunning car. Not got a bad boot space with the hood down. We've also got a really good boot space with the hood up. It's a black roof, electric windows, electric mirrors, full leather interior. Auto headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control. It's only done 768 miles. The satellite navigation, air scarf, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, phone and audio, climate control, operation for your roof. I just think this car is absolutely magnificent value for money. These will only go up nearer the summer we get. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For quite any further information, please call 07503 751 005. Thank you.